I go. I really wish I had a fence by now.
I can help you. I'll build a fence.
Really? I only
Yeah.
have so much wood.
The perfect person for the job. Michelle, make us a fence.
Okay, so how do you want the fence built?
I'll show you.
This is how Farmer Dan wants his pasture to look. There's already a wall to begin with. There will be one fence parallel to the wall, and then two more to close off the ends. And then we'll add one more just to split them in half. And this all needs to be done with 600 meters of fencing.
Okay, so your pasture dimensions consist of 3 fences that are the same length, that are perpendicular to the wall. And you got a parallel fence to the wall that is a little longer, so that's your other dimension.
We also want to maximize the area.
Since you told me that your perimeter of the fence is equal to 600, your equation would be 3x plus y equals 600. The area of a rectangle, on the other hand, is length times width. In this case, your dimensions would be x and y. Since Farmer Dan wants to maximize the area of the pasture, we have to solve for the y variable in the perimeter equation. Now plug this into the area formula. This allows us to work with one equation and one variable instead of 2 separate equations and 2 variables. Distribute the x, and now you have your area formula.
Now we find the derivative, which is a prime equals 600 minus 6x. To find the critical points, we need to find when the derivative equals 0 and does not exist. It exists everywhere, so we just make it equal 0 to solve for x. And then we find that x equals 100 meters. Now that we've found that x equals 100 meters, we can plug it into the perimeter formula to find the y dimension. Y equals 600 minus 3x. So now we know that y equals 300 meters. Now that we have solved for x and y, we can put them into the area formula. We know that x equals 100 meters and y equals 300 meters, and the area equals x times y, which is 30,000 meters squared. We know that this is a maximum area because of the second derivative test. The second derivative is equal to negative 6, which is less than 0, which means it has to be a maximum.
Yeehaw! My animals are safe!